Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on Weiman Quartz and Stone Clean and Shine. It has an anti-fade protection and it is good on quartz, granite, and marble. So as you can see, this is my kitchen island right here and it is granite, so this is safe to use on there. They say, it could really take the shine off and kind of leave it looking lackluster if you're using the wrong kind of cleaner. So this is really great. It leaves it really sparkling shiny. Weiman Quartz and Stone Clean and Shine is specifically formulated to keep your sealed stone and solid surfaces looking their best every day, especially it's not cheap, so we want to make sure that you're keeping it looking nice. And I use this several times a day as I have the kids and stuff eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner on the island, and it makes a mess. So I'm always cleaning it. It's gentle yet effective. pH neutral formula will not dull or damage quartz, and natural stone the way that harsh chemicals found in some household cleaners can. Cleans and polishes to a brilliant streak-free shine, removes grease, soil, stains, and watermarks, which I've had quite a few watermarks when I moved into the house on here, and this took it right off after a couple uses. It's an easy spray bottle, so you just spray it this way and it'll come out, and then you could open and close it this way. As you can see, it's just like a regular cleaner. It's just like a white liquid, and it really leaves it shiny, and I just use a paper towel to clean it.